How are you? As we all of you know that Google is continuously giving new updates. A few days later, Google has officially launched its Kotlin language. Instead, officially, officially uh, launched its language to be Kotlin. For this, Google has you can say launched a under development version of Android Studio, that is 3.0 Canary 1 version. So in my previous video I have shown you how to install that Android Studio 3.0 Canary version. So recently Android has given it some new updates to that Android Studio 3.0. So today I'm going to show you how to update that new version, new updated version of Android Studio. So let's see which version and what are the updates Android Google has given to us. So let's start. Hmm. As you know, according to your system's version, open your Android Studio. My system is 64-bit, so I will open Android Studio 64. So our project is ready. So let's see, check, or you can say let's check what updates Google has given to us for its new Android Studio 3.0 Canary 1 version. So go to our Windows tab. Oh, sorry. Not to Windows, onto the Help tab, and at the end of the tab, second last option, that is for check for updates. Click on it, and you can see it is performing some action checking for, and it's given us a platform that is new update is 3.0 Canary 3 version. So if you want to update it, so you can update, there are release notes, ignore this update, and there is option also remind me later. Now I'm going to update it and restart my Android Studio. By clicking on it, my update will be downloaded into my Android Studio, and it will automatically install in my Android Studio 3.0 Canary 1 version, and it will be upgraded into 3.0 Canary 3 version. So as you can see guys, our Android Studio has been updated into a newer version, that is 3.0 Canary 3. So let's see. Mm, this is our version, Android Studio 3.0. I'll show you. Here it is written Android Studio 3.0 Canary 1 Canary 3 version, sorry. So now our let's see. Mm, Here are some platforms and plugin updates are ready for the newer version. If you want to update them, you can just simply click on it, and it is showing that the download size of the newer updates will be 322 MB, in which are Android emulator revision 26 version, Android SDK platform, Android SDK tool revision 26.0.2 version. So I don't think so I need these updates right now. So I will just simply click on remind me later, and there is no as such change in the codes. Let's check our build out Gradle project my application in Gradle script over here. And yes, and the class path is also same. Just I think they have given a new stable version to this Android Studio 3.0 in the Canary 3 version. So just enjoy your coding. So guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe, share and like, and thank you.